Conventional stupidity says all calories are equal. 500 calories is 500 calories. So people choose low-calorie biscuits, cereal, shakes, and diet snacks. Here's the outcome of that thinking. You're hungry again in an hour. You're thinking about food all day, and you blame yourself for lacking discipline. That's not discipline failing. That's biology responding correctly. Biological reality is this. Food quality drives hormonal response. 500 calories of sugar spikes insulin and hunger. 500 calories of eggs, meat, or fish creates satiety and calm. Here's what working with biology looks like. Stop choosing food based on numbers. Choose protein and whole food first. Eggs, yogurt, meat, leftovers. Eat until satisfied, then stop. Same calories, completely different outcome. Join our community in the Wellness Circle. Stop the conventional stupidity and start working with your biology.